Hello, Ms. Bass here with your instructions for today. Today we're going to take a quiz. We're going to see how much we have learned from the lessons that we have been practicing with. So let's see what the plan says today. As usual, please remember to report your attendance right here. Pause your video, click your attendance, complete. Thank you. Okay, here you're going to find this video that I'm recording right now. And then you're gonna, your usual, that what you've been doing the past two classes, you're going to SpanishSpanish.com. You're gonna find the book. You're gonna open the book and you're gonna find your pages. Here's your pages. So for today, you need to complete these two pages. That's page 9 and page 10. We are gonna be connected today. You need to connect today to the class. And you're going to complete these two pages. Now, page 9 is a sequence. When you get your sequence complete, I want you to let me know. And we'll see what arrangements we make to get you something because you did it. So, for example, this sequence, 50, 70, 60, 80, you know what a sequence is. So you just need to find the pattern and then complete the sequence. What I do, you can write the numbers. That's what I would do. Write the numbers. So instead of C50, I'm going to put number 50, and then 70, 70, and then 60, 60, and then 80, 80. So I'm going to put those numbers so I can visualize the numbers so I can find what the next number is. So for example, in this case, 50, 70, 60, 80, 70. So this is 50, 60. So I think the next one is 70. Yep, that was it. So because I found 50, 60, 70, and here goes 70, 80, the next one will be 90. So that is one of your activities to do today. And then the other one is page 10. And is spell the missing number. So 10, 20. So I'm going to put here 30. Is again, it is a sequence. So you need to write your number so you know what goes. This one goes in sevens. So 7, 14, 21. Oh no, 7, 14, 28. 28. 8, because it goes 7 and then doubles to this one and then doubles to this one and then doubles to this one. So it's important to see this number too. Okay, so once you finish that, you're going to scroll down. That's what your plan says. It says you complete 9 and 10. And you are not going to give me a screenshot for those two activities. I do not need the screenshot for those two activities. Please do not send those two screenshots. You don't need to take a screenshot. Now you're going to scroll down to vocabulary practices and quizzes. So that's when you're right here. You scroll down, 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 and you find vocabulary practices and quizzes. You're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And I put it right here. So you just need to click on the link and it takes you directly to where you have the list of vocabulary, the practice, and the timed quiz. So you can work on those 3. I do need you to take a screenshot of this one when you finish, so I know you're great with this one and with this one. Finally, I'm going to receive 3 screenshots of these 3 quizzes. That will be your quiz grade, okay? I put it right here. I will need 3 screenshots for your quiz grade. Do not forget how to submit it. Submit your screenshots. If you did it last week, you won't have a problem. But I put a click here, a link here where you can go and look how to do it if you don't know how to do it. All right, if you don't submit your screenshots, I won't be able to see them. We'll be connected during class today. Please connect so you can do your work, and I'll see you during class and I can answer your questions. Even when it's a quiz, I take questions. Please do not say any answers or anything because it's still a quiz. So I need to see you during class. I need you to be connected during class. All right? That's it for now. I hope this video helps you, and I hope to see you soon. Talk to you later.